So there are some queries regarding subtitles, that how can we earn money through writing or composing subtitles, and who would need our services. You need to know that content creators and YouTubers around the globe would need your services. You would have noticed whenever you watch or play a video on YouTube, there are subtitles running in the bottom section of the video, and content creators actually have to upload a separate file. They write all the content in one file, whatever they are telling to their audience, whatever they are speaking in the video, they write all that content, they type all that content, and then separately upload in addition to their original video. And if they don't want to put that much effort, they don't want to spend a lot of time, you would do that and you would charge them for your service. And for this purpose, all you need to know that how Google Docs works online, how it converts the audio input into the text file, and you would just create your gigs on Fiverr saying that I would write subtitles for you. And you can also find some jobs related to subtitles writing on rev.com and happyscribe.com. There are a lot of many other websites, so start selling your services.